Hello everybody. Today for ICT we're going to be looking at programs and repeated commands. Your learning question for today is, can I write a program that uses a repeat command? Your steps to success are: I can understand the concept of repetition. I can use repetition commands using shapes, and I can understand the benefits of using repeated commands. Code Disco. Today, we're going to create a key of shapes to make Monster dance and move around. You can make the moves as creative as you like. Let's think about how we can program Monster to dance. But before we do, we're going to make sure that as we plan the program, we're going to practice the moves ourselves to make sure the programs work. So this is a key. A key shows what symbols mean. So for example, our key to create the dance that we would like Monster to do is based on shapes, and each shape has a command for Monster to carry out. So the green square means walk forwards, the purple triangle means jump, and the pink square means walk backwards, and the rectangle means spin. So let's use these shapes to create a repeated pattern together. So let's say together the moves that Monster is going to do based on this repeated pattern. So he's going to walk forwards, walk forwards, walk forwards, walk forwards. Then he's going to jump. Then he's going to walk backwards, walk backwards, walk backwards, and spin. Now I want you to practice those moves at home and see if you can create a dance with these moves. Have a go. Did they work? How did you get on? So let's make the dance moves more creative and add in some more moves. Let's add in turn left and turn right, so you can move around more instead of just walking backwards and forwards in a straight line. So the grey diamond shape means turn left, and the yellow rhombus means turn right. So let's have a look at our shapes. So you have got this program which is made up of a series of shapes which each represents a different move, just like before. Do the moves and see how you get on. Excellent, well done. So, did you move forwards, then jump, then spin, then walk backwards, then walk right, turn right, and walk forwards again? How did you find it? Looks like there's a lot of moves to do in a short space of time. Which dance did you find easier? The previous one, the one with repeated shapes and repeated moves, or this one? Okay, I heard some of you say that you felt the previous one was easier. Now that would be because there were a lot of repeated moves in there, so you don't have to change from one move to another. You can create a nice dance sequence with repeated moves and repeated shapes. So your task for today is to create a shape program for Monster. Now we found out that with repeated patterns, with the repeated shapes, the dance sequences are more easy to do. So remember to use repeated patterns so that the dance program will be easy for Monster to complete. You can still make it creative, just remember to think about the sequence of moves that will be easy to perform. For your second task, click on the following link to play the shape sequencing game. To play on a phone or tablet, simply scan the QR code. Then choose and click on the correct shape to complete the sequence to score a point. If you click on an incorrect shape, you will need to debug your sequence and go back and click on the correct shape again.